Are you tired of working a job you don't love and wondering how to start a business that actually makes money and helps people at the same time? Believe it or not, thousands of people need help fixing their credit, but they don't know where to turn. That's where you'll come in. In this course, Credit Repair Business Mastery, I'm going to show you exactly how to start and grow your own profitable credit repair business, even if you have zero experience. You'll learn step by step how credit scores and credit reports really work, how to legally dispute negative items and get results, how to set up your business properly and stay compliant, how to attract and close high-paying clients. It's very important. How to automate your business and scale to $10,000 or more if that's what you want, and how to add multiple income streams through business credit coaching and funding consulting. And yes, everything is included. Templates for dispute letters, contract for clients, pricing packages, scripts for sales calls and client boarding, marketing strategies that bring in leads even while you sleep. I've packed years of experience into this easy to follow, powerful course to help you launch a real business with real income potential. And best of all, you can do it from home or on your own schedule with little to no startup costs. And there's zero risk. You're protected by Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love the course, you get a full refund, no questions asked. So if you're ready to take control of your income, help people change their financial lives, and build a business you can be proud of, click that enroll button now, and let's build your credit repair business together.